Hi, I'm Rick Kaler. Thanks for joining me. Like millions of Americans, I jumped on Healthcare.gov on the 1st of October. Excitedly, I wanted to view the long-anticipated plans on the insurance exchanges, which were mandated by the Affordable Health Care Act, also known as Obamacare. I personally needed a new health care plan, and I purposely held off buying one in September to compare the coverages and prices of an exchange plan. By the way, I was one of the 4 or 6 million Americans who had their health care canceled. My disappointment paralleled that of thousands of other Americans, maybe even millions, wanting to do the same. After 6 tries on the first, I gave up. I tried the site multiple times every day for the next 6 days. No luck. Finally, on the 7th day, I hit gold. The site actually let me start an application. So I chose to go with the short form since I was certain I would not qualify for a subsidy. The short form application took about 30 minutes to fill out. I was interested that there's very few questions about health, just whether anyone in the household smoked. A number of questions had me wondering if I was applying for a passport. These included my social security number, my race, my citizenship, relationships to everybody in the family, and whether I was ever incarcerated or not. When I reached the end of the form, I hit submit and anticipated that plan options and costs would appear. Instead, I was sent back to the starting page of the form. After 60 minutes of trying to get out of this endless loop, I just gave up. For the next 3 weeks, I went to the site at least once a day. I was never able to get past the endless loop to view plans or prices. So I took a 2-week break. On November 14th, I tried again. Success! Well, sort of. There was no endless loop, but instead the site said it lost my original application and I needed to do a new one. So after another 30 minutes filling that out and 30 more minutes, ending up stuck in the loop again, still wasn't able to view plans or prices, much less choose one. So frustrated, I just gave it a rest until the well-publicized relaunch on December 1st. I figured, I'd still have plenty of time to meet the December 15th deadline for enrollment. So on December 1st, I popped in onto the site, anticipating that it would be fixed. Well, not only was the site not fixed, it had lost my application for the 3rd time. I just gave up. I phoned my insurance broker, and she was able to get me all the information I tried to get out of Healthcare.gov for the past 60 days. She also said my insurance company was canceling my current plan, as I said, and Obamacare deemed the coverage to be substandard because it did not cover pregnancy, mental health costs, and pediatric dental and vision costs. Well, I don't want or need any of that coverage, but Obamacare gives me no choice. My plan was substandard. Now, my old policy cost $1,192 a month, and the new one costs $1,506 a month, which includes, this was interesting to me, $59 a month in mandated surcharges on non-exchange policies to help fund Obamacare. My maximum family out-of-pocket expenses must also increase $208 a month. So the potential total increase is kind of a staggering $524 a month. Now, as someone who listened with great skepticism as politician after politician promised that Obamacare would lower health costs, lower our deficit, guarantee we could keep any existing plan, I feel sadly vindicated. In March 2010, when Congress passed Obamacare, I was paying $660 a month for health care for my entire family, and it was better coverage than what I now have. For that same coverage today, my premium would be $2,450, and that's before the 2014 prices. Obviously, I have to keep my cost at $1,192 a month. I have accepted less and less coverage every year. That's a four-fold increase in 3 years. Unfortunately, my story isn't unique. It's ubiquitous to the average American who has health insurance. Our elected officials and government agencies failed us miserably. And unfortunately, there appears to be no relief in sight. Thanks for joining me.